Hi everyone, this is Rachhya from Calilio, and in this video we are exploring analytics. Now clicking on analytics on the left hand side panel takes you to a new tab. Here with the AI dashboard, you can quickly track top performing agents and generate productivity reports for any specific date, week, or month. You can choose the timeline here. In advanced reports, you can filter out calls as per your requirement. Choose from these filters and accordingly choose a timeline from this bar. Moving on to the workspace section, here you can analyze call purpose, employee to client interaction and call outcome through call transcripts, through call statistics. With the data that Calilio provides, you're no longer second guessing your client's decisions. Instead, you're making accurate interpretations from real life accurate data. Want to know which one of your employees is performing and who is struggling? The member productivity section reveals exactly that through AI-powered analysis of clients' sentiments within the timeline that you choose. Finally, in the general reports, you have member report and number report, both of which provide insights on activities conducted by your agents. So with Calilio Analytics, spot the underperformers and turn them around fast. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and come back for more Calilio content. Thanks for watching.